Do you deal with dry, cracked skin in the winter? Let's make this royalty facial serum to protect your face against the winter wind. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. Turn off your distractions because making is healing, so let's get started. Everything that you'll need to make this recipe is found in this month's recipe box. First, you're going to want to find your recipe card. And I found it. It's called a Royalty Face Serum. We're going to use almond oil, which can be found in your bonus box, frankincense oil, which is in your recipe box, and a cute little serum bottle. From your kitchen, you're going to want to grab a funnel if you're super messy like I am. So let's get started. So first I'm going to grab my serum bottle. It's super cute. I'm super excited to see what everything will look like in this little bottle. I'm going to unscrew the top. I'm going to put my funnel into my serum bottle and then I'm going to fill it with almond oil. Now that my almond oil is in the serum bottle, I'm going to add my essential oil. So I'm going to add 1 drop of frankincense essential oil. Frankincense essential oil is an awesome oil to use on your face. And then I'm going to put my lid on, give it a little shake, grab my label. All right, now we're gonna put our label on. So we know what's in this cute little serum bottle, and you're all set. Look how cute this is. You can make it too. Let's test it out. It makes my skin super soft. It's really good in the winter time for people that get super dry skin. I tend to get really dry right here, so I put a lot right there and see how it works. I absolutely love it. This Simply Earth recipe box made it super easy to make this really cute recipe. And after you've made all your fun recipes, don't forget to post it on social media. Use the hashtag #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth. I love seeing everybody's creations. If you're ready to master essential oils, get your recipe box today.